the ratio of boys to girls is 5:7. If there are 96 students in all, how many are girls? Una ay, sa 5:7, alin dito ang boys, alin ang girls? Ito yung 5, itong 5, ito yung boys. Then, itong 7, ito yung girls. Unang sinabi yung boys, ito, yun din yung 5, boys, 2 girls. So, yung 7 is yung girls. Ngayon, there are 96 students. So, kailangan natin kunin yung common factor niya na pang-multiply by dividing 96 by 5 plus 7 divided by 12. Okay? So, pag nagdi-divide naman ng ganito, ang ginagawa ko is hinahati ko siya para mas madali. Hahatiin ko, that is 48 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 also, that is 6. Kung medyo nahihirapan ka pang mag-divide, hindi po nakikita, kasi usually 8 na yan, di ba? Pwede mo pang hatiin. So, 24 divided by 6 divided by 2 is 3. And that is 8. Yun, nakita mo na. Right? So, 8 ang common factor niya. So, yan ang ipang-multiply natin sa 5 tsaka sa 7. So, 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 7, 56. Boys ay 40, ang girls ay 56. Pag in-add natin, 96. Pero ang tinatanong lang naman is how many are girls? So, there are 56 girls in a class. Right? So, ang answer is letter C. Okay, ipa-plus lang natin to. 5:7, so 12. Iyan ipang di-divide natin sa 96. Ang common factor niya ay 8. Yan ang pang-multiply natin. Kung gusto natin makuha ang number ng boys, mo-multiply natin sa 5. Since ang gusto nating malaman is yung number ng girls, multiply natin sa 7. Okay? So, thank you so much.